Welcome to Candlewood Suites. We're here to make you feel at ease and to give you space to make your own, whatever that means to you. Maybe it's making a home-cooked meal. Maybe it's kicking back in a comfy recliner, watching a movie. Just come as you are. Our suites have plenty of space, and as you'll see today, we have everything to ensure your stay is exactly as relaxing or productive as you want. First things first, check-in. We aim to put our best foot forward with our friendly staff, here to make sure you're well taken care of for however long you're here. At Candlewood Suites, we have 3 different suite layouts to best meet our guests' needs. There's a studio, a 2-bed studio, and a 1-bedroom suite. Each comes with a stock kitchen, stovetop, full-size fridge, dishwasher, pots, pans, dishes, all of that. There's also free high-speed internet and a large desk space in every room, so you can get what you need to get done, done. Get a good night's sleep, or just a good nap in the comfort of your own space. Here in our 1-bedroom suite, the room is separate. Our studios offer the same cozy bed, just with an open floor plan. There's plenty of storage in all the suites, all the creature comforts, a full-size ironing board, an iron. We even provide a laundry basket, so you can take advantage of the complimentary laundry machines. The washers and dryers are here to use for free 24 hours a day. We even have detergent and whatever else you might need for a nominal cost. While your clothes are in the washer, why not get a workout in? Our fitness center sports a variety of equipment and is also open 24/7, so you can stay in shape on your schedule. Great job, everybody. Keep up the great work. After you've worked up a hunger, swing by one of our signature hallmarks, the Candlewood cupboard. Here you'll find a wide range of snacks, easy to prepare meals, beverages, even toiletries, just in case you forgot anything. We operate on the honor system, so simply fill out a slip, put it in the slot, and grab what you need. Another one of our Candlewood Suite staples is a linen locker. You can borrow everything here, like a crock pot, a waffle maker, or even a blender. Check out whatever you need to make your stay more enjoyable, free of charge. We know a lot of our guests have work pop up well beyond 9 to 5, so we also have a 24-hour business center with complimentary computer use to run through the presentation or just print off a boarding pass. Consider Candlewood Suites your place to relax or work. Get whatever you need to get done, done. Then unwind and enjoy the great outdoors in our gazebo, or just fire up some burgers. We'll even lend you the grilling utensils. All right, let's dig in. And that's Candlewood Suites. We're here to make sure your stay goes smoothly, and you can work and unwind with plenty of space and at a great value. Staying with us means staying somewhere you can be at ease. It also means you earn points towards rewards when you stay with us. Enjoy big benefits when you join the IHG Rewards Club. And you can use the IHG Rewards Club concierge for tickets to games, one-of-a-kind items, and more. Thanks for taking the tour, and visit candlewoodsuites.com for more booking information. We'll see you soon.